A temperature tracking device, 50 pounds of dry ice, and taking no more than 5 minutes to remove the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine from its shipping box to an ultra-cold freezer. Those are just some of the guidelines hospitals will have to follow as the vaccine starts to make its way to Montana this week. New this morning, MTN's Andrea Lutz is giving us a first look at how doses will settle into the ultra-cold freezer at Billings Clinic.
We came across that we had this ultra cold storage.
Jackie Ulishny leads us to where Billings Clinic houses its ultra cold freezer.
We can store significant quantities of vaccine now.
We've been asked to keep the location a secret as the vaccine is a hot commodity designed to save lives.
So this is our ultra cold freezer.
Although Billings Clinic has had this freezer for years, at first she didn't think they'd be able to use it for the vaccine.
So it's at minus 81 degrees Fahrenheit right now.
The freezer was filled with research drugs.
We just lucked out that the research team was able to send drug back and make room for us for the vaccine.
Just days ago, special instructions came. Everything must be timed perfectly.
They're stacked 1 to 5 trays. We have to make sure we do it somewhere close by and well ventilated, because you have to open the box. There's up to 50 pounds of dry ice in there, and so they're tracking it the entire time, and then you have 5 minutes to transfer it from that to this.
The vaccine comes in a box 9 inches by 9 inches by 2 inches.
When we did measurements, we think we can hold anywhere between 5,000 and 10,000 doses. Significant space if we need it.
As director of pharmacy, Ulishny started a team months ago when the pandemic spiked.
This has been kind of a whirlwind, and it's been very exciting, and I've been doing my best. I don't know that I've personally ever been part of a project quite this big.
She's seen the entire process unfold firsthand, and it's likely her hands that will be the first on the vaccine when it comes.
So it's an experience is all I can say.
For her, that moment will be groundbreaking.
We continue to learn and learn and learn. And
especially meaningful now, as the virus came into her life just to take so much away.
I have been personally very, I've had friends and family, so this is very personal to me at this point, that have, been affected by COVID. Some have come through fine and some not. I think I've always been a believer that the vaccine was the only way out of this pandemic, and so the sooner we could have a vaccine, the better. So I'm thankful.
In Billings, Andrea Lutz, MTN News.
And Billings Clinic is one of 10 Montana hospitals to get the vaccine. St. Vincent Healthcare also has an ultra-cold storage freezer they recently purchased.